Hi, this is Novotel Essential Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. My brother, how's it?
I'm good and you, my brother.
Fine, thank you, man. I can see you all smiles. How do you feel about the game today?
Ay, ke sharp pro wa ka game.
Yeah.
No matter gore makhosi ba bua ka referee go etsala. But I'm happy ka selo ka game e le re etsagetseng.
Yeah.
Go gopola gore ntho e one a re ba re ba fetsa o wina game ya bona mathomo go Betway.
Yeah.
Bathi bafuna Manchester and Sundowns. Yeah, bathi bafuna Manchester and Sundowns.
At least
Manje batholile Sundowns.
Yeah,
Batholile Sundowns. Bantu abayifuna batholile.
Yeah. So ingavali league man. Bantholi.
Batholile.
In fact, ni batholi.
Ukhumbule ukuthi uyibone kuphi uyibone va president running country dile 2.
Yeah.
Hayo president lapha Namibia.
Yeah.
Wa Lesotho,
Yeah.
wa kae? Hayo president ethu.
Yeah. No,
He one president ya country.
Hey, Tada.
Yeah.
No problem, my brother. Thanks very much. Congratulations and all the best. Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.